The Google Display Network, or GDN, is the largest contextual advertising network online today and is said to be able to reach up to 92% of internet users in the US. It targets your audience whilst they are browsing websites, watching videos, or generally surfing the internet. Hello, I'm Uzair, and thanks for watching this video where I will set out my top Google Display Network ads tips to help you be smart with your budget so that you can get the most out of it. Number 1, remarketing. I have put this tip first because although it is an obvious one, it is actually your biggest opportunity and the one most likely to bring returns on the Google Display Network. Remarketing is where you deposit a little cookie on the browser of your website visitors. You can then target those people so that they will see your display or video ads when they visit other websites within the GDN. This means that people that are already interested in your brand will see your content and be reminded of you. So it is a great option, especially for advertisers with a lower budget. Number 2, target similar audiences. By using the similar audiences feature within Google Ads, you can locate people with similar interests and browsing habits to the people in your remarketing audience. This helps you to increase the reach of your existing remarketing campaign to target new users that have similar interests and drive them to your website. I would suggest segmenting your similar audience list from your remarketing list rather than grouping into a single ad group so that you can monitor their individual performance. Placements. This is one of the best ways to retaining control over where your ads are being shown on the Google Display Network. When you target on interest, Google will show your ads wherever your audience visit, and those websites may not be very appropriate or profitable for you. By targeting placements, you can choose which sites you want your ads to be shown on. Number 4, beware of mobile games or apps. If you are using a keyword, topic, or interest targeting option, it is worth keeping a very close eye on the placements where your ads is being shown and check for mobile games or apps. This is where budgets can sometimes be wasted when little children using their parents' mobile see your ads and click on them by accident. Number 5, in-market audiences. An in-market audience is a group of people that Google has decided will be interested in what you are selling based on their browsing history and activity. These people have been actively searching and comparing products, matching those that you offer in the past few days. So these are considered to be a very hot audience who are pretty much ready to buy. Gmail sponsored promotions. Gmail sponsored promotions are ads that appear in a Gmail inbox above the user's emails. They are designed to look like a normal email, but once the person clicks on them, they expand to a full ad. These ads are charged on a cost per click basis, and the click is counted when the person expands the ad, not when they click through to the website. Very few businesses leverage the power of GSP, and I would highly recommend you try it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.